Hey all, nice simple one for you guys today. So I've recently picked up this Ford Focus. It's a 1.6 Zetec petrol. Nice honest car, however it is very dirty in the engine bay. So this is just going to be a real quick time lapse of just me using a one-step method of just engine degreaser. Spray it on, leave it to sit, aggravate it with some form of brush, and then wipe it down with a cloth, and then polish it off with a microfiber. So it's just a one-step spray on and wipe off, one chemical system, no water, no mess, no nothing, and we'll see how it turns out. Pardon the weird positions, I'm staying out the wind, but there you go guys, very simple, very quick engine degreaser from your local auto parts store for a few quid, a few brushes, and then some cloths. You don't need to use specific detailing brushes. I happen to have some already. You can literally use any brush you want. This video, including moving the tripod around, getting a good shot, blah blah blah, that only took me 35-40 minutes maximum. You can go to town to it and spend all day. I just wanted to make it good enough that I was actually prepared to work on the car. I'm not prepared to work on a car where just by touching it you get absolutely filthy. Cleaning it means that you can do things like spot leaks. You won't be able to spot a leak if you've got all of this residue from previous dirt. Keep an engine clean, keep an engine bay clean. When you change the oil and you get a drip, wipe it off, because otherwise it will look like you've got a leak. And if you have got a leak, you won't be able to spot whether it's new or old, whether you fixed it and it's just the old stain. So always keeping a clean engine bay. Aside from anything else, it's just good mechanics. It's good pride in your work. And that's one of the main reasons why I did it, is because I intend on keeping this as a daily, and I just wanted to make life easy for myself. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, like and subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.